Alrighty, I got a 2004 Dodge Ram 1500. The power door locks were not working. I seen a lot of forums, there was like broken wire inside there sometimes that cause a problem. But mine was a little different because the light will come on, the flashing lights will come on when you put the lock and unlock, but still wasn't activating the motor. So this one ended up being this fuse here. It's a 20 amp fuse, and it was literally right here. I replaced it with another 20. You can see on the fuse box. It's number 25. Number 25 is a 20 amp fuse. As you can see, it was broken. I just replaced it, now it works. Try that first, I would say, if anybody has that same issue with the Dodge Ram. Mine's a 04. Like I said, I was gonna start pulling wires and stuff, but I said, you know what, let me just check the obvious. And sure enough, it was the fuse. All right, so I hope this helps. See you later.